I've been homeless like since I got out of jail in July, and this time I used to engage the services of just sitting in the house again, because in the past I've used their services and it's always benefited me. So this time, when I got out of jail, I used their services again, and I've benefited this time because now on Friday I'm going to move into my own flat now. So no more homelessness, you know. Living on the streets, like it's not nice. It's dirty, you know, and I got a few infections when I've been on the streets. Like if it wasn't for saucy, like I said, like a couple of years ago, I nearly died because I caught septicemia living on the streets. And I nearly died, and then basically if it wasn't for Saucy and these guys, I don't think I'd be here now. And genuinely, I don't come down and see these guys, you know what I mean? Like every time I've come down here, I've been here 3 times now, since 2006. Every time I've come down here, I've always had a positive like experience, and I've always like I've benefited from it. I've always progressed each time. Each 3 times I've been here, I've progressed each time. All I've ever wanted is just somewhere stable, like a base, like where no one can take it away from me. I can go home at night and shut my door. And I'm just looking forward to just be able to just shut my door and just be quiet.